Hello student, good morning to all of you. In class 12 commerce, we are studying chapter admission of partnership. Today I am going to tell about the what is the treatment of the workman compensation if there is a exist in between, if there is exist in your balance sheet. So let's see what is the meaning of the workman compensation. Workman compensation is the fund is made to face the workman compensation is a fund made to face the losses due to the payment of the compensation due to the injury suffered by the worker during the work. Okay, so in this workman compensation is made for the if there is any uncertain या फिर unfavorable events happen, so we provide the payment or for making the compensation for the injured person. Let's see in the next. Suppose here if the workman compensation reserve is created here in the balance sheet exist already 70,000. There may be the 4 different cases for the treatment of these reserve. If there is a claim of 40,000, means there is a claim less than your created reserve, existed reserve, and if there is a claim is equal to the 70,000 equal to your provided reserve, and if there is a no claim, what would be the accounting treatment, and if there is a claim of rupees 1 lakh more than your created reserve, या फिर you can say existed reserve. Here we can take the, for example, we can take the Mohan and Sohan and the partner sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:1, and Meena is the admitting partner. We can say the Mohan and Sohan partner sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:1. On the 1st April 2030, they admitted the Meena as a new partner for 1/4 share in the profit. On the date, the balance sheet of the firm show the balance of 70,000 in the workman compensation reserve. Here you can say case 1. Here in this case 1, 70,000 balance is existed here, and case 1 if we treated claim is less than your created reserve, then we can say that 40,000 we keep aside for the compensation of claim, and remaining 30,000 will be distributed in the old partners in their old ratio. अकाउंटिंग ट्रीटमेंट हम लोग का कुछ इस तरीके से हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट. केस फर्स्ट के केस में स्टूडेंट ऑलरेडी फंड इज हेयर 70,000 एंड वी प्रोवाइडेड क्लेम 40,000 हेयर, and the rest of the amount will be distributed between the old partners in their old ratio. The general entry will be here. Workman compensation reserve account will be debited for 70,000 and claim for 40,000 will be credited to make the payment of the claimant, and the remaining 30,000 will be distributed between the old partners in their old ratio Mohan and Sohan into 2:1. 2:1 के रेशियो में जो रिमेनिंग हमारा जो है 30,000 है उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लिया जाएगा. स्टूडेंट, let's take a second case. Claim is already here 70,000, and case 2 says that if there is a claim of equal amount, claim is also arises during the period rupees 70,000 equal to your created balance, then what will be the treatment? Keep aside 70,000. There will be nothing left to distribute the old partners because all the balance exhaust for the compensation or making the compensation. So there will be no balance for the distribution between the old partners in their old ratio. The journal entry will be here. Workman compensation reserve is given 70,000 and there is a claim also 70,000. There will be no balance for the disbursement between the partners. So journal entry will be here. Workman compensation reserve account debit to workmen claim for the workmen compensation. Okay, let's see three example. Third case. In the third case, workmen compensation fund is already 70,000, and if there is a no claim arises for the during the period, then the whole amount will be distributed between the old partners in their old ratio. The general entry will be the workmen. The whole amount will be debited for the distribution workmen compensation reserve account debit to Mohan and Sohar in their old profit sharing ratio 2:1. इस केस में 2:1 में टोटल बैलेंस को हम लोग डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे. लेट्स सी केस फोर्थ. If there is claim in the here rupees 70,000 as here for the 70,000 workman compensation reserve, and claim arises more than the compensation reserve, तो इस कंडीशन में आपको एक्सेस आपके क्लेम से ज़्यादा आपके पास रिजर्व से ज़्यादा आपके पास क्लेम आ गया, तो देयर विल बी वी हैव टू मैनेज 1 lakh for the making the compensation, so nothing will be left here to distribute, and the old partners will have to bear the loss of rupees 30,000. In this case, the old partners will have to bear for making the payment to compensate 70,000 with 30,000 to make the full payment of the workman compensation. Then here we have to do the, if there is a claim rupees 1 lakh, then we have to do the workman compensation account debit, revaluation account debit for 30,000, and workman compensation claim for workman's compensation of rupees 30,000. Here at the time of the revaluation, we check here that if there is a claim more than 70,000 or the provided reserve, then here is the revaluation loss. Then the workman compensation reserve account will be debited for the 70,000, and revaluation account will be debited for 30,000, and to claim for the workman compensation reserve account for 1 lakh. Then here we have to make the debit to the old partners for their compensation. Workman compensation reserve account debit, Mohan capital account debit, Sohan capital account debit to revaluation account. So इस तरीके से हम लोगों ने देखा. There may be the 4 cases for the accounting treatment for making the accounting entries, or for you can say the making the treatment for the workman compensation reserve. And in the next video we will discuss about the if there is a also a fund like the investment fluctuation reserve, then what will be the treatment for that. Till then, goodbye.